to do Craft City. We are going to make these slimes with me and my friend.
Hello. Also, it's all in French, but yeah. Like, I'm going to open it this time. So, we have extra activators. Show them that, Sebastian. Okay. Ooh! Okay, so we got one slime. Oh, okay, so this one you don't get to prepare. So we gotta, that's cool. What is the point in this box?
Look at this.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we make our slimes out of this.
So I'm just opening. Ooh, there's liquid.
Liquid. Oh my god. There's more liquid here.
I'm making this
gold.
This thing is stuck to my finger.
I'm making these two.
Ooh, I'll make these two then.
Okay, I felt the texture. The texture is sticky. Like, oh, come on.
Oh gosh, yeah, I can feel it. That's sticky.
But we're just going to make our slime anyway.
I can't open mine.
Just use the trick I did.
I did use the trick you did. Okay. Ooh.
The cool texture is when you do this, metallic. Kind of got similar things. So you can see these two are just random colors. Well, these two are metallic.
Let me just pour this in, guys. I'm gonna pour this in, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna pour this in.
If only I can. Okay.
Okay, guys. So she's adding.
Why is it so zoomed in?
So she's gonna add.
Ooh, it's liquidy. Oh wow, that's pretty liquidy actually. Okay, whatever.
Whoa, mine's all greeny.
It's kind of good. I actually quite like it. Except I wish it was metallic because like every other slime is metallic, and mine's just out here non-metallic. But I like doing this, and then like
and the color's good on the slime.
I also like it's also just so satisfying to run down your hand and then just drop it. I'm gonna put mine in the container.
Metallic. It's a metallic slime. It's cool slime, like you can kind of see. And the thing that's fun is not the stretching, but doing this, because it just goes down your hand. The texture got so much better, but for this, I forgot to show you. Look at its texture. So much worse than the other one that I just opened.
The next one's red, which I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna name this fruit punch.
Gold is one of my favorite colors.
What? It is? I thought it was like I don't know what color. Ooh, the red's in.
Yeah, but
wow, how metallic that is.
But blue's my personal favorite, but gold is one of my favorites.
I know my favorite is orange, and I also really like blue in that, but like orange is my favorite, but I never like really use it as a color. Oh gosh, that dye is strong. Oh gosh.
I hope this doesn't happen to my metallic. It says it's metallic, but it says yellow.
This dye is everywhere. Oh gosh, this was strong.
Your hands look like blood.
I'm hoping this washes. Do you think this will wash? Maybe. Okay, at least in that one I don't need glitter. This one I might have, but like... Ah! Gosh. Okay, I'm washing my hands because now my hands are pink.
Time to add this. But I gotta put this no good slime on them. It came in. That's not a good sign. Oh no, I don't feel like touching this. No. It's only very little. Oh, I hate this. I hate it. You can't see the slime because I put a slime there.
Okay, now it's not dyeing my hands.
So, ooh, that looks cool. I hope the slime does not turn sticky. It looks very cool. Oh my god, I I love that texture.
I'm right now mixing mine together to see what I'll get. So
Okay, putting this just made the slime worse because it's not even liquid. It's just more of a water. It just made it worse.
now this is just, wait, what if I add this in?
Don't add it in. I was activator. Okay, the slime's getting so much better now.
Oh wow, look at that. All we had to do was add a little activator. So.
Okay, guys, so this slime got so much better now with the activator, but it like rips apart, but it kind of sticks in your hands, but slime is cool. So I'll add some glitter.
Just gonna close up on my fruit punch slime. Ooh. I'm just gonna feel. Yes, I know. Look at your pictures.
Now I'm gonna add some.
Now you're just making this rainbow. Keep some for me though.
Okay.
Just like.
You have to cut more. Ooh. Whoa. Picture?
I got a picture.
So, mixing. The glitter makes it so much better. Okay, guys, so the glitter just made the slime a lot better. So let's show each other slime.
This is my first slime. I really liked it. It's fruit punch. That's at least the theme. I was going to add some red glitter, which I'll do so. Okay, good. Just a bit, but
Also,
not
the
too-
slime like kind of runs a lot, but not sticky.
Okay, now let's just real quickly mix this in, and then my other slime, I'm not gonna add any glitter because it's perfect enough. But since I'm making this a theme slime, I feel like glitter should be added. Ooh. Awesome.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Okay, so now we'll just do this. Wow. I don't know what I love about Jiggly Slime. I think this kit would give it a 10 out of 10. But let me show your other one, Sebastian, while I just...
Okay, my hands are full of glitter. Here's my slime. It's kind of metallic. I love this a lot.
So thick.
My favorite one is probably this one because it has all the glitter and it's gold. Gold is my second favorite color.
Okay, now my other one. This is my turquoise. I love it so much. I seriously love the color.
Slimes are in containers. You can see it from mine.